Oh my God, here we go, guys. Here we go. Lord. Yeah, don't cut wires.
Found 5.
Here's a 5 amp. We found a 5 amper. Lord, did you ever want to cut a car in half? I'm gonna make it happen. Let's cut the. Oh, there we go. Right straight through. Fuck.
I cut my leg off.
Hopefully he doesn't cut his leg off. That would really suck. Maybe start a new one and then work your way down. Total carnage. Total carnage. I would say before the glue. I'd try to stay above the glue. In the middle of the glue, whatever, like all this maybe. Is what I would say, possibly. What's under here?
Well, we don't want to cut into the fender wall, right?
Well, I don't know. He said he wants the outer and the inner, so.
So I'm gonna cut here.
Okay, cut there. Then if he doesn't need this, he can cut that off himself. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you can just make a pile of zones.
All this work going into this thing, you better show up and grab this junk. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I'm at my buddy's house right now. He has a pool. And his name's Matt. And he races bikes. He actually tracks sport bikes, which is pretty awesome. Shooting his bow and arrow. It's a Hoyt bow and arrow. Very nice compound bow. And we started thinking, maybe we should make some videos about this because it'd be pretty cool. So we currently have, I don't know if you guys can see it, way down there, a beer can. We're actually shooting at that target down there. So we have a beer can on that target. And we have 2 GoPros set up. He has a GoPro, I have a GoPro set up. My kid's walking back. 3 GoPros. He has another GoPro set up on the thingy there. And we're gonna try to hit that beer can with some arrows. So let's see if we can do it. It should be fun. What do you think, Zach?
I think you're gay.
My kid got this freaking hoodie.
Oh yeah, check out this hoodie.
What do you guys think? Comment below.
I look like a snack and you know it.
Wow. Anyways, that was weird. This is a little weekend fun with all of us. We're out in Lebanon County right now, just chilling, having a good time, living life, having fun. Got the Duramax. All right, let's get started, guys. We're gonna see if we can hit that beer can down there. It's right there, guys. There, where my kid's like showing off like freaking Vanna White. My kid down there, Vanna White, is showing off. We're gonna see if we can hit this beer can. It's gonna be pretty awesome. And I don't know, is there a prize for whoever wins? Yeah, free beer. At this house? Dad, at this location? Dad, what? You can't do the end. Nobody likes you.
You're adopted.
You're adopted. No, you cannot say deuces. All right, are we ready to go?
This can's going down.
All right, watch out, Sky. I'm fucking dependent on you, boss.
Yeah,
do you have your safety glasses on, your air protection?
We need to eat tonight.
We need to eat. What are we eating? Styrofoam?
Beer.
Oh, he did not hit it. He did not hit it, guys. Oh,
your turn.
My turn.
You're gonna miss. All right, Andy's turn.
Watch the expert here, the archery expert. I'm gonna so kill this can.
look at that form. Gonna die of old age before he shoots.
Shut up, man! What are you doing? I'm trying to concentrate. I gotta start over again.
Watch out.
Go hit the wood.
Oh, barely hit the target.
Oh my god. Well, that one was pretty close. Pretty close to Matt's arrow there, but we're still not hitting the target. So we're gonna
Robin Hood the arrows before we ever hit the beer can.
So we're gonna keep trying, guys. I think at the end of the day here, or at the end of this video, we're probably gonna hit this thing. What do you think, boss?
We're gonna hit it.
We're gonna hit this thing. It's gonna be freaking Titty City, guys. Titty City! After much debate, I know exactly where I need to be now. We just took another shot. We still didn't hit the can. But I'm really close. And Matt's not gonna do it before me. So we got the kids getting down, getting an arrow. What's up?
This is it.
Dude, it's not gonna be it, man. It's not gonna be it.
It's gonna be it.
Whoever wins gets
I call saying deuces.
Whoever wins gets the kids. I'm
Whoever
gonna
wins
miss.
gets the kids.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Quiet. Concentration.
No one loves you.
Oh, right to the right. Right to the right of it, guys. Oh, dude, it's over. You know it's over at this point, right? It's over. Zach, you're gonna have to record this.
I got
This is
you.
gonna be freaking.
You're
This
gonna
is gonna be
miss.
epic.
You're gonna miss.
This is gonna be epic because I know exactly what I gotta do now.
Not miss for a change?
That's
what you gotta do.
You? Alrighty. Bet you guys on YouTube didn't know I freaking archery, huh? Look at this.
Don't learn today.
Your archery
Don't learn today,
sucks.
actually. Well,
doing?
thanks. You're adopted.
Shut the freak up.
Okay, get away from me. Get away from me. I'm trying to concentrate here.
Your archery sucks. At least I went and did archery.
The limb savers move themselves.
You don't have to be that close to me, Zach. You're freaking me out. Back up a little bit. Oh my god.
It's just because I love you.
Love's not gonna make me hit the target.
Faxverse presents.
Don't pull it out, guys! Don't pull it out! Oh! Woo! Oh! Woo! Yes!
I'm on the edge.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Team Weaver.
Look at that!
Team Weaver wins.
Oh, oh my god, dude!
Oh, it went
That is
in.
awesome! Oh boy! Oh well, guys, we're gonna end this video. Mission accomplished.
That's
Team
terrible.
Weaver took the
What do you
dub.
think there, Matt?
You won. That was good.
You get to keep the
Good
kids.
competition.
Bye, guys.
Team Weaver takes the dub again.
All right, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Just a fun little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Matt, do you want your Instagram out there?
No, yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm gonna put Matt's Instagram down in the description and also right here, guys, for you. So if you want to go follow him, he is gonna start YouTube. He does a lot of track bike stuff, which is pretty cool. Really, really interesting stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
So it should be pretty nice.
Should I stop it?
Whew, I'm so excited. I'm like, I'm ventilating. I'm like, ah, I actually did it.
Should I stop it, Dad?
I don't care.
Stop it.
Just stop it. Just stop the camera.
Stop breathing.
He don't know what's going on. He's like, whatever.
You're doing good.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. And now we're doing archery. Deuces, guys.